Hello everybody, 12:08, 15 seconds, Monday, February 11th. This is now the main drawing for the Spider-Mans 121 and 122. Over here are the 28 filled spots. Brandon came in first and second in the final mini, so he got the last 5 spots. There's Barney's 2 spots from coming in second in mini 1. There's Mike's 5 spots from coming in first in mini 1. Okay, we're going to get hit with some weather over here, it looks like, by me. So there's a good chance these do not ship out until Wednesday. I just want to give everybody a heads up, okay? Usually I ship the next day, sometimes the very same day. But in this case, I'm thinking, worst case scenario, they'll go out on Wednesday. So number is 9. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 9th roll will win both books. Again, worst case scenario, ship out Wednesday, which is the 13th. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here comes the final one. 9, spot 11, Bill Byers. Congratulations. Time is 12:09 and 30